Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Tuesday, February 11, 2025. Hope you're having a great day. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about how you can build your online business, how you can grow your online business with direct mail. Okay, I'm actually heading over to the soap shop to pack up some orders, and then I'm going to be going to the post office to mail those soap orders out and stacks of these letters that I send out. All right, direct mail. But before I get into the video, I just want to introduce myself. If you've never seen any of my videos before, my name is Russ. I've been involved in the work from home space for the last 18 years. I've been fortunate enough to be self-employed since 2018. Both my wife and I work from home, and I'm just truly passionate about helping other people make money online. All right, that's what my true passion is. I feel that's what my calling is, and I want to serve you and help you be successful with whatever online business that you're involved with. Okay, so what I do and how I've built my online business and then have scaled, I've grown my online business with direct mail is by mailing out letters. Okay, so let me just say this: if you're not involved in any opportunity, okay, some of the best opportunities are postcard marketing opportunities. All right, they're simple to do, especially when you're just starting out. They take very little investment to get started. And when you join the two direct mail opportunities that I'm a part of, the product that you're getting is leads. All right, so these leads are opportunity seekers and buyer leads. So people who are looking for ways to supplement or replace their income from home, and then people who have purchased products or services in the make money online niche in the past. All right, and what I do is I use these leads to mail off my other opportunities. All right, so these are the two postcards you get when you join my two direct mail opportunities. Okay, and what I do is I have a nice letter that I send out. It's personalized. Okay, and then I send out these letters, and inside the letter it basically tells the person reading it who I am. It has my contact information so people can reach out to me if they have any questions or need any help. I include my direct mail opportunities. I include two $100 drop cards for my other opportunities, and then I put in my joinruss.com business card. And when people go to joinruss.com, it takes you over to my Linktree page that has all of my products and services that I offer. All my opportunities, all the services. You can reach out to me on Facebook, YouTube. You can see my latest YouTube video. There's a contact button there if you have any questions for me. And every single opportunity or service there on that page, when you click on it, it has a system in place that does all the selling and telling for me. So my only job is to get people over to joinruss.com. All right? And obviously I do online marketing. I make videos, and I basically only use YouTube and Facebook for online. But with direct mail, people overlook direct mail because they think it doesn't work anymore. And I'm here to tell you that direct mail has 4 to 9% conversion rates on average, whereas email marketing has 1 to 2% conversion rates. All right, so there's less competition with direct mail, and there's better conversion rates. So it's a no-brainer to do direct mail, especially if you're involved in other opportunities. Because, okay, so for example, American Bill Money and Cash Billing System Unlimited, the two direct mail programs that I'm a part of. Like I said, when you join, you're getting leads. That's the product that you're getting when you join these opportunities. So I use these leads to mail out not only the direct mail opportunities, because everybody in this industry needs leads, but I mail out my other opportunities. Okay, so instead of just getting eyeballs on my Join Russ page from online marketing, I am using direct mail to get more eyeballs on. So I'm doubling the amount of people who are going to my webpage, which doubles the amount of leads I get, which doubles the amount of sales I get, which doubles the amount of revenue I'm bringing in. So don't overlook direct mail. It's very simple to do. And when you join me in any of the opportunities that I'm a part of, you're going to get a resource page that I put together. It has over 80 different places you can share your opportunities online. 99% of them are free. You're going to get my exact letter template that I use to send out in my letters, in these letters that I'm about ready to go ship out. And you're going to get my contact information so that you're going to get high priority to me. So whenever you have a question or need assistance, you can reach out to me. I'm there to help you out. Okay? Because if you're successful, I'm successful. And like I said, it's my true passion to serve you and to help you become successful, whether you just want to supplement your income or replace your income. All right? That is what I feel like I'm here to, that's my calling. Okay? There's nothing better in life than doing what you love doing. All right? Because I wake up every day, I'm excited about making videos. I'm excited about sharing my opportunities with other people. I'm excited about helping other people make money. I just love it, you know? And when you wake up feeling that way, it's not a job. You know, I never stress out about, oh gosh, tomorrow I got to go and to the soap shop and pack up orders. And I mean, my wife and I have a soap company. We make and sell organic soaps, and it's a true passion of ours as well. You know, but I never wake up ever dreading having to come here to the soap shop to pack up orders. I never dread waking up knowing that I'm going to have to answer people's questions about my opportunities, or, you know, help somebody with some, you know, marketing strategy or whatever it is. It's just a beautiful way to live when you can do something that you're truly passionate about and have cash flow coming in 24/7. All right? Because that's the ultimate freedom, is time freedom. Your health is your wealth. All right? Without being healthy, it doesn't matter how much money you have. So you always got to focus and prioritize yourself and your health first. But if you're healthy and you're doing something you're passionate about, and you get to a level where you can do what you want, when you want, for as long as you want, and not worry about cash flow, there's nothing better in life than that, in my opinion. Okay? So if you're in an online business, you can grow and scale with direct mail. Don't overlook it. It's very powerful, and there's no better time than to get involved in direct mail than now. Okay? So when you go over to joinruss.com, the top 2 opportunities there, you'll see them. It'll say direct mail opportunity number 1 and direct mail opportunity number 2. Check those out. All right? Like I said, when you join, you're getting leads and postcards. And, you know, when you join me, you're going to get my letter template, and I'm going to show you exactly what I do to help grow whatever business you're already involved in, or to help grow these direct mail opportunities, because everybody in this niche needs leads. Okay? So if you have any questions, reach out to me. I'm here to help you out. If you find value in any of my videos, please consider giving me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click the notification bell so you're notified each and every time I upload a new video. I try to upload at least one video every single day. All right? And when I'm driving in my truck, I try to make value videos, and then at nighttime I do live videos where I talk about my opportunities, my coaching, and everything that I'm involved in. So with that being said, I appreciate you very much for taking the time to watch this. I look forward to seeing you in my next video, and until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you. Have a great day.